How to unsubscribe all subscribed channels on YouTube at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to clean up your YouTube subscriptions, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from your subscribed channels at once, quick and easy. Make sure you're logged in and tap on the profile icon located on the top right corner of the screen. This will bring you up a menu with several options. Scroll down and select on Help and Feedback. It's usually at the bottom of the menu. Next, click on the Send Feedback option. It's at the bottom. And then in the feedback box, simply request the YouTube team to unsubscribe you from all the channels. Once you've done that, hit Next. And that's it. Within the next 24 hours, you'll be unsubscribed from all the channels you've been following. Easy, right? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.